Hey, it's Will Vitella, home technology expert. In this project, I installed an outdoor speaker system using modern garden-style speakers that blend in beautifully with the landscape. This family wanted something super simple to use to play their Apple Music and Spotify. That sounded great because they like to entertain. Hiring a technology professional to design, wire, and set up the music system will help to make sure it gets done right the first time. A home technology expert outdoor speaker system comes with a large in-ground subwoofer for bass just like this, as well as several smaller speakers that give the right coverage and balance for music for the entire backyard. Notice how the speakers just hide away tucked in with hidden wiring. Everything that I installed outside from the wiring to the speakers are made for the weather. It doesn't matter if it's raining or if it's a bright sunny day. I like to design smart home systems that are simple to use and bring joy to you and your family when you are using it. This outdoor speaker system is part of a Sonos audio system that connects everything from the family room to the backyard. So what that means is that you can listen to the same music inside and outside of the house. I also install outdoor TVs and other type of patio speakers that are perfect for watching the football game or baseball game in the backyard. You can have the game on and listen to it everywhere. The way that I design and install TVs are made for today's 4K streaming, using ESPN, Bally Sports, Fox, NBC, Netflix, and so many more, giving you the best picture and sound while only having to use one simple remote control in your hand. To get an outdoor speaker system or a TV installed professionally, go to hometechnologyexpert.com and click on Schedule an Appointment.